In the heart of the Therapane Divisional Secretariat, nestled within Anuradhapura district of Sri Lanka's north-central province, emerges a tale that transcends time. A tale entitled Longest Rescue Mission, the Saga of Agbo the Elephant. In a landscape teeming with life, there strides a titan among us, a colossus elephant named Agbo. His narrative is one of resilience, where nature's grandeur converges with the intricacies of human existence. The journey to Agbo's tale begins in 2012, when intrepid wildlife officers ventured into the lush embrace of the Ritagala jungle, drawn by the mystique of untouched wilderness. There, near the shores of Agbo Tank, an architectural marvel fashioned by the hand of King Agbo II between 608 and 618 AD, they encountered a magnificent creature, a gargantuan elephant bearing tusks that stretched forth with dignity and pride. In reverence to the nearby Agbo Lake, they christened him Agbo, a name destined to become emblematic of the trials and triumphs of wildlife conservation. To officialdom, he is the elephant of Therapana, but to those who hold a deep affection to the untamed, he is simply Agbo.
समझी बड़ा गाने दिखता है कैसे पढ़ा एक ओके
It's good because no need changing. Easy.
For the video another is very good.
Quality is good.
Quality is good.
And reasonable. 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. I use that. Stable tripod ka lang the video kilo.
Where do we want the elephant to be?
Now we are trying to take it out to other side. Near here. But if we go to other side, I think we have to go other side.
ඊනන්න පුළුවන් නේ ඔව් බලන්න හවුද මෑ නෝ තව එක්කෙනෙක් එනවා අපේ කොට ඉන්න තමිල් යා ඔව් ටිකද ඔය මේ ගලව ගන්න මේකක් තියෙනවද මොකක් හරි පිහියක් හරි මොකක් හරි හා දාන්න වෙන්න දාට ගියාට දෙන්න මොකද උනේ උඩ
කොයි තමිල්ද
එනවා චේන්ජ් කරන්න ගන්න ගියා ගිලෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. වෙපන් එක බලාගෙන නැහැ ගාන්න මේක කරා සේෆ්ටි දායම. එකපාර ලං කරන්න එපා. හරි. යනවා ස්පීඩ් නේ. ඈ? නෑ මේවා අරවට වැඩි ස්පීඩ් යන හින්දා අවුලක් නෑ. සිංගල මාරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. අර මාරු ස්පීඩ් යනවා. යා මාරු.
Agbo is not your run-of-the-mill elephant. He stands as one of the most formidable tuskers in the region, a majestic presence traversing the domains of Thirapane, Mahakandrawa, and Harapathana. Yet his resilient exterior bears the scars of tragedy, marred by countless bullet wounds, scars that may well number in the hundreds. However, August 10th, 2023, etched a perilous chapter into Agbo's life, a chapter that would not be unveiled until 2 days later. A sinister trap cunningly laid by trophy hunters wielding illegal, locally crafted firearms inflicted a grievous wound upon his front right leg. Despite the earnest efforts of authorities, the initial 2 days remained agonizingly futile in locating him. The news of Agbo's plight surged through the collective consciousness of the public. The voices of animal lovers, dedicated wildlife photographers, and conscientious citizens harmonized into a resounding chorus of concern, compelling the authorities to muster their most formidable resources. Ultimately, Agbo was found within the boundaries of Thirapane, where he has since undergone more than 20 treatments.
ඔය ඒක තමයි මම හිතන්නේ පැත්ත මේ වෙන දාර යනවා නැත්te. හරව ගන්න තමයි යනවා නැත්te. නෑ ලං කරයි තමයි මම පැත්තට හරව ගන්න තමයි යන්නේ.
හැරුණාන් දැක්ක දුර නම් ඕක අවුලක් නෑ නේද?
හැරුණා නම් හරි හැරුණා නෑ චමිල්ගේ පැත්තට හරව ගන්න ඕන.
නෑ ඔය දුර වැඩි නෑ නේ.
චමිල් අයියා. එහා පැත්තෙන් අපට හරව ගන්න. දුර වැඩි වගේ නේ ඈ දුර වැඩි ලං කරගන්න දුර ගැහුවොත් යන්නේ නැහැ වැදුනද මං කිව්වේ දැන් ඔක අස්සර ගියොත් මුකුත් කරන්න බැරි වෙනවා හරිය දාන්නේ කොහොමද කාගෙන යන්නේ
දෙකක් පිටේ තියෙනවනේ. ඔව්. රෝල් එක එකක් තියෙනවා.
පහක්. දැම්ම ගහගන්න. නෑ වැදුනා. නම් අර මාරු වෙනවා. දැන් අර උන් දුවනවා ඉතින් මොන අලි වෙලිද?
නෑ උඩ.
ගහේද?
ගහුඩ. තාතොල්ල.
ඔව් අර ඉන්නේ.
පල්ලයට දැන් මොකද පල්ලයට ඉන්නවා.
Kayak gawal.
ගහට එහෙන් යන ගහට. කඩේ තියෙන්නේ. යන්න බෑනේ.
කොටයක් වගේ ඇති. කොටයක් වගේ එකක් ඇති. යන්න බෑනේ අතරින් එහාට.
The medical challenges confronting Agbo are formidable. Weighing a staggering 4,000 kilograms, tranquilizing Agbo is a feat of remarkable proportions. His gunshot wound disrupted the intricate framework of his wrist bones, particularly the carpals, inviting a pernicious bacterial infection. Immediate treatments focused on halting the infection's insidious spread, all the while awaiting bacterial culture results. Divergent opinions on Agbo's path to recovery have emerged. Some advocate for restricting his roaming territory with the hope of expediting his healing and thwarting reinfection. Nevertheless, experts and officials counsel against such confinement. Stress, they contend, could further compromise his already weakened immune system, potentially diminishing the efficacy of his treatment. Furthermore, Agbo's colossal stature might render any physical barriers merely temporary obstacles.
එකක් ඉතුරුනාද? හා? හා? wait. පොඩ ඉන්නලු. ඉන්නලු. ඒ. වැටුණාද වල?
Everybody gives you the rifle, they face your top and the rifle.
කවුද?
Ya, otra niya. Ya. Ayan doon, ano? Ha? Mangga, mangga. Oh. Maru kita ini ya. Malli. Tuan Malli ya. Biar dealer kan Malli ya. Hah? Hari ini ya. Oh. Ah, mata na. Mana? Behe mareng. Anda ya? Kara mareng. Mana? Mareng kok. Mana? Mareng kok. Kagame ini udah tadi dua lah nih. Mareng. Ambil. Gila baik. Mama, ya kan tinggal. Ini ada kembali.
Oh, මේක නැගිටින්න පරක්කු නා. ඇන්න මු හිටපු තැනට ඇවිල්ලා ආයේ. එහෙමද? ඔව්. ගලෙන් ඇන්නනේ. මාර ස්පීඩ් ආවා.
දුව කොටේ මේ වුණා.
කොටේකට පැටළුණාද?
ඔව්. කොටේ.
ඔයාලා නැගිට ගන්න වෙලා ගියා උඹ.
Throughout Agbo's life, the shadow of human interference has loomed ominously. While many have offered financial and material support, a darker faction harbors sinister intentions, seeking to claim him as a trophy. Agbo's vulnerability underscores the urgency of responsible human interaction, channeled through official channels rather than direct visits. In the most recent update, Agbo's recovery has surpassed expectations, a testament not only to his unyielding spirit, but also to the collective efforts devoted to his well-being. Agbo's tale is not confined to him alone. It resonates as an allegory of the complex, often tumultuous relationship between humanity and the untamed wilderness. The choices we make shape this narrative, for Agbo's story is but a chapter in the epic tale of life unfolding on our planet. This account, recounted in words, merely skims the surface of the profound saga. Within these words, however, echoes both hope and warning, a reminder that our actions reverberate through the world, shaping it in turn. Choose wisely, for Agbo's story reverberates far beyond the jungles he calls home.
Ada dan